బాబు ఏం చేస్తారు ఇక్కడ కాలేజీ
సార్ సార్ లైఫ్ టైంలో ఉంది వెళ్ళిపోతాను నేను వెళ్ళిపోతాను
మా సార్ మమ్మల్ని ఏమనుకోకండి ప్లీజ్ ఏమనుకోవద్దు వాళ్ళు మార్నింగ్ నుంచి ఉన్నాం మేము ఇక్కడే ఇప్పుడు వచ్చి వెళ్ళిపోయారు మీరు లోపలికి
సారీ అది
వీడియో వెళ్ళలేదు ఆ లోపలికి పడతా
చేస్తారా
లోపలికి ఎలా చేస్తారు చూసుకుని వెళ్తారు
తప్పదు అది సహజం సార్ సరే ఉంటుంది
So at around odd 45 hours today, train number 1819 Tatanagar to Ernakulam Express, a fire incident was reported at Elementary Station on 27th December. In this, the coaches B1 and M2 caught fire. The railway staff who were on board the train swiftly acted and immediately informed the fire brigade. They also swung into action immediately and escorted the passengers out from the affected coaches and tried to extinguish the fire using the fire extinguishers. However, the fire soon engulfed the coaches, so they separated the unaffected coaches from the main train, and so that only 2 coaches were ultimately affected, and in which the forensic team later on came and investigated, and we found unfortunately 1 deceased inside coach B1 passenger. So वही passenger Sundar Chandrasekhar Sundar, who was identified by their family, and Railways have announced an ex gratia help of ₹5 lakhs to the kin of the deceased, and after this we called 2 extra coaches from Visakhapatnam to take care of the passengers who were travelling on board this train in these affected coaches, and the train was reformed and moved from the station towards its destination with all the. Further, CRS South Central Circle has undertaken a statutory inquiry into this, and currently the evidence collection by both forensics and Commission of Railway Safety is in progress. The dates for the inquiry by Commission of Railway Safety will be notified soon and will be informed to the public. Thank you.
सर एक्चुअली इधर आने के बाद रुका था ट्रेन, आते आते वो हादसा हुआ, कैसा?
The train was supposed to stop at this on account of spare crew to deboard at Elementary station. While the train was stopped at Elementary, smoke was observed by one of the passengers near the toilet doors and this vestibule area, and then subsequently simultaneously the TT also observed the fire detection system which operated and alarms were sounded. So immediately they took into action and they tried to extinguish the fire using the fire extinguishers on board the coaches and informed the station master. They also ran with the fire extinguishers and tried to extinguish. At the same time, they asked all the passengers to disembark, and they ensured that all these three coaches, M1, M2 and B1 and B2, they are evacuated immediately to avoid any further injury to the passengers.